Well, hello to my YouTube family. I just wanted to hop on here. I'm in the middle of shooting Doodle's 96 Sportster, getting that major clutch issue fixed for him. Then we'll have the cursed Dyna back on the lift. But I just wanted to hop on here and let you guys know, because of you and us hitting 5,000 subscribers now, we're not that far away from 6,000 all of a sudden. You guys just, I don't know what you're doing, but you're doing it. So just keep on doing it. But I am now an Amazon influencer. And so I have my own Amazon store. And so I'll show you a little bit about the store. I've got a couple of categories in my store. You can click on the link you're going to see, and it's down in the description. And that'll take you over to my store. And on my store, I have things like all the tools that I use in the shop that I've bought on Amazon. The things you'll see there that I have on my store are actual tools that I use. So I put them to the test, and if anything changes, I'll take them off and add something different to it. So as I buy tools, I will put those on there for you guys to go and see, hey, what that tool he used, where's it at? Well, there it is in my Amazon store. Also, another thing, when I first got started into the YouTube thing, I wanted to learn from the best. And so I looked at the guys that had, millions of subscribers that did mechanic stuff. And I was wondering, what do they use? What kind of tools do they use? What video and do they use? Audio stuff. And I couldn't find any really good answers. On my Amazon store, you will see my YouTube setup. And that's everything that I use to make and produce these YouTube videos. And as my channel grows, my quality of videos hopefully will grow. Audio, lights, sound, video quality, all that good stuff. Sorry, my hands are filthy. Been working. So let me walk you through the store a little bit just to show you. And also, if you just go to my store through Amazon, through the link I provide, you don't have to just buy what's in my store page. You can go anywhere on Amazon, buy anything you want, and Amazon sends me, some pennies for it. So I truly appreciate it. Now, I don't know what you're buying, so don't be scared. You might buy some weird stuff on Amazon. They never show me that, what you buy and what you don't buy. So just feel free to shop away. In limp mode. Okay, so we're here on my page, and this is just my recent video here. And if you click under the descriptions here, right here is my Amazon store. So if you'll click that, it'll take you over to the Amazon site. And now this is my page. Let me see. Let's go to view public page. So this is what your page should look like if you go to my Amazon store. So the tools that I use in the shop, I've got 30 items in there, and my YouTube setup. So we'll start over here with my tools. And here's everything that I use in the shop. All this stuff is stuff that I have bought on the shop, on the Amazon store, that I use. Hey, look, even my case pocket knife. So yeah, even that pocket knife right here is there on the store. All the kind of specialty tools that I use. Now, as you know, if you watch my channel, I do use a lot of Harbor Freight tools and stuff. So of course they're not on there. But that one right there has been really good. And then you can see the details and click it, buy it if you want to, takes you right there to it. Now if you go back, it has my YouTube setup. So this is everything that I currently use on my YouTube. I've got an Apple MacBook Air. I don't know if it's a 2025. I've had this for a couple years, so it's a later model. But I want to upgrade probably to a MacBook Pro. And when I do that, I'll change this out, so you'll see exactly what I use. This adapter here for my SD card right into my MacBook. This is my backup drive. So every video that I post, I also back up on this drive in case something ever happens. YouTube accidentally deletes my channel. All my videos are gone. I've got them all right here. My GoPro Media Mod that I shoot with. I use this 1/2 terabyte memory card that I use in my GoPro. Here's the lights that I use. I have 4 of those, so I've got 2 sets of those. This is my extra batteries for my GoPro. This DJI Mic 2, I love this. Upgrading to this audio sound was the best thing I did as far as sound wise. And then this is my GoPro Hero 2 set. And so that's really kind of all that I use. I use iMovie on my computer. I can show you that. So here's the video that I'm working on that you should see this Friday. This is Doodle's bike, and this is my iMovie that I use. Already I'm at 42 minutes long. I kind of shoot for maybe a day, then edit that evening and go back and shoot again the next day. So I kind of edit as I go. It kind of helps me so that I don't sit down and have 8 hours of footage that I've got to cut down to an hour and a half. And this lets me know when my videos are getting a little too long to go ahead and maybe do a part 2 or something. But that's my page. And then also from my Amazon store, you can share it, you can like it, you can shop around. So once you're on this page, you can actually click right here and search for anything you want to. So like if we're searching for a Harley fuel pressure tester. This is something I don't have that I would like to have. Ooh, holy moly. Okay. Now these cheap ones here do not work for the Harley, so don't be deceived. This is probably a brand you've heard of, Fuel Tool, and they're really nice. So, you know, as I upgrade my tool set, if I was to buy something like this, of course, I would have it in my Amazon store page as well. So I just want to show you now, like if you were to buy this, okay, I would get a commission rate for this. So I would get a 4.5% commission out of this. Now you won't see this up here at the top on your screen. This is just what I see if somebody buys something. And again, I don't know what you buy. You can buy anything on Amazon. As long as you search it from up here and purchase it, Amazon gives me credit for it. And I have 2 qualifying purchases. You have to have, I think, 3 within a 6-month period or they take your site down. So all this Amazon influencer stuff, I'm still learning on what to do and how to do it. So bear with me. If there's something on here you're like, oh, you should add this or add that, just bear with me. I'm trying to learn. So I hope this helped you out because people have been asking. Also, I also relaunched my merchandise site through YouTube and Spotify. So you can go to butlercustoms.com and here is all of my merch that you can order. And so you can just click here, order through here, sign up for emails, all that kind of stuff. They offer PayPal, they offer payments, they offer Visa, MasterCard, credit, all the stuff. Also, you can find links to this on my YouTube page as well. So some of you folks have been asking, now, if you're not tech savvy, you don't want to deal with the internet, but you want to order some merchandise from me, just email me at butlercustomsmotorcycleshop@gmail.com. And tell me what you want. I'll send you prices and shipping, and you can cash out me, PayPal me, however you'd like for that, if you don't want to do all the website stuff. So thank you guys so much for what you do, for how you bless me. And I get so many good comments that you're enjoying the videos, you're learning stuff through the videos. Even people that don't work on bikes, they just like hanging out in the shop with me. And that's what I started this for, just to have folks come and hang out with me as we wrench and just figure things out together. So thank you so much. Check my store out if you want to. If not, that's okay. You know, sit there on the couch where you're at. That's fine. We'll tell your mama now I said hi.